Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am Shikha Joshi. Today we will create this sweet little Christmas tree. This is 3D paper Christmas tree. So we'll learn how to make that in few simple steps. So the material required is just a paper and if you have some glitter sheet, then red glitter sheet and a scissor, that's it. And if you want stone stickers, you can use that also. So let's start. Now, if you are new to this channel, I would request you all to just subscribe the channel. And if you're already a subscriber, don't forget to press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's start. We are coming up with amazing Christmas crafts. So be ready. This is the first one. So with this green sheet, because tree is of green color, so I'm making a green sheet. We will first make this paper into a square. For that, what we will do is, you can also take a square sheet of paper, but otherwise what we'll do is, how to make a sheet square. We'll just fold it from one corner, we got a crease, and we will cut this extra part. So first step is to make the sheet into a square. So whatever this part is, you have to just cut it with a scissor. Now, after you have cut that, what we'll do is we'll got this square sheet. So we already have this line. We will repeat this line on the other side to get a cross. We got a cross in the center. We got one more line and we'll fold it on the other side to get a sign of a plus in the center. This was the sheet. From one corner, we'll just fold it. Because we already have made these creases, it will be easy for you. We'll repeat the same step on the other side. Now this is important. We'll hold this, put our hand inside, and open it. On this line, we will open it. So this is a very important step. We did it. Now what we'll do is, after every corner, we'll open it and we'll just press it. This line has to be straight. We'll repeat the same step on the other side. We'll close it. We'll repeat the same step over here. We'll repeat the same step over here. Now you all can see this part, extra part. We have to cut this with the help of a scissor. That's it. So simple 3D effect is there. Now what we will do is we will make some straight lines. With the help of a scissor, we'll put some lines. 1, 2, 3. You can add more also. And we'll put the same lines on the other side. We don't have to go till the end, okay? Don't make that mistake. Now, we have to just fold the sheet. Leave the first one. From the second one, we will take just one part and we will just fold the sheet towards the inner corner so that it becomes like a triangle. We'll repeat it for the bottom part as well. This has to be a pointed one. And now fold it this side. Leave the first one. Again, make it a triangle. Then turn it around. Go to the next one. Once we have done all, see, we'll just open them. And a simple 3D Christmas tree is ready. It's not complete yet, it's just a tree. Now what we will do is we will take this glitter sheet, whatever piece you have, just make a star. You can make 2 stars also, you can make 1 single star also. Just make a star and cut that. My star is ready. Now what we can do is we can place the star over here, or we can cut 2 similar stars and we can paste them. Now, how to place it like this is we'll give a cut on top. What I'm doing is I'm just giving a cut on top. That's it. And I will place this star inside it. And it's ready. It's a simple paper thing. Now what I have done is in this one I have added some stone stickers. So if you want, you can add some stone stickers to it. So it's perfectly your choice if you want to do it or you don't want to do it. We can just add some stone stickers here. So it will give a very beautiful effect to our So you can add these stone stickers if you want. You can keep it like that also. So these are completely optional. You all can see how beautiful it is looking. We can add the single star also like this. If you don't want to add a double one, we can add a single one. I hope you all enjoyed watching it, and do create it and share it with us. And of course, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.